thunderstorm warning for East Central Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 4:15 p.m. At 3:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Merrillville and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Merrillville, Schererville, Hobart, Crown Point, Lakes of the Four Seasons, and Winfield. Including the following interstate, Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 248 and 256. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.